pleasure to welcome you here today to the groundbreaking for the Aurora Health Center at 6 Points. This new clinic will replace our current location at 72nd and National. We're excited to be part of this project, which will allow Aurora to expand the level of service to the West Allis community.
At Aurora Healthcare, we believe healthcare leads to stronger communities. We have been a proud active participant in the city of West Allis for decades. The new 30,000 square foot facility, medical office building and clinic facility that's about to take shape reflects Aurora's commitment to meet the ever-growing and ever-changing healthcare needs of the community, as well as the city of West Allis and its surrounding communities for years to come. With the changing climate surrounding healthcare today, we recognize our responsibility to not only provide services of the highest quality, but also make those services affordable and accessible. And as an integral part of this community, we always are looking for ways to improve not only care for our individual patients, but ways to enhance cities, neighborhoods, and the areas we live and work in. I encourage you to continue to watch as this healthcare facility takes shape over the next several months. Aurora is pleased to unfold a building that represents our dedication to a thriving revitalization effort within West Allis, while also expanding vital health services that allow individuals, families, and businesses to live well.
Along with primary care, the new clinic will include medical imaging services, pharmacy, a lab, and a dedicated urgent care space. There'll be approximately 90 caregivers and employees working in this health center. That includes an estimated 15 new positions. As part of the clinical services expansion, there will be 3 new primary care physicians and 2 new urgent care providers. All of this expansion and growth is happening only a half-mile away from our current Firehouse Square location, providing a close, comfortable, and convenient transition for all of our patients and caregivers. Speaking of access, we will also be expanding the hours of this location. The urgent care clinic will be open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays and 8 to 4 on weekends, increasing access by 20% over our current site. The regular clinic hours will also expand to 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday to meet our patients' scheduling needs.
The market at 6 Points has been a couple years in the making, and it's a $65 million plus effort, we aspire to have a positive impact on the West Allis community. We'll have 177 apartments that'll set the high water mark for apartment living in this market. We'll have a cultivated lineup of food and beverage destinations, providing local people in the community, a new place to go eat and drink and shop for groceries. And of course the Aurora project, which is really epitomizes what this effort is all about, which is adding a positive impact to West Allis. And when we talk about this project, I think it's important that we note that we're really building on some of the exceptional assets that West Allis already has in place.
We're so happy to be here today for this the groundbreaking for this exciting project, for the latest and greatest of all the Aurora clinics. This clinic is designed within what's called a collaborative care model, which is fantastic. It allows the doctors and caregivers to collaborate in even better ways than they've been able to in the past. It's designed in such a way to improve the patient experience and to decrease wait times. What some of you might not know is the whole cadre of people at Aurora that work behind the scenes. Kelly and her staff, Karen McKenzie, Jason Neitzel, Christy Monroe, EJ Hare, all sorts of people that work hard behind the scenes to make something like this come together.
It's not every day that our company gets to work on such a great project like this. One that takes a former industrial facility and converts it into a state-of-the-art medical facility is unbelievable. We're honored and very excited to be part of the team, so thank you. Secondly, I wanted to also thank City of West Allis. We've worked in the community many years, including the Glen Reeder project that is just a couple blocks south of here. They've been incredible to work with, very responsive to our questions, very helpful through the process, and we're looking forward to continuing that relationship in the years to come.
So I'm very thankful for this tent. Nice job. So Aurora West Dallas Medical Center has provided top quality care for individuals residing in the city of West Dallas for over 50 years. I'd like to take the opportunity here to express our appreciation to Aurora for supporting the health and wellness, not only of individuals and families that live in West Dallas, but also those in the greater area. This new state-of-the-art health center within the 6 Points development will expand access to vital primary and urgent care services. Having 2 young children, one of them being a 10-year-old boy, I know all too well how critical it is to have urgent care services nearby. 3 times. Not to count the ER visits. So for the city of West Dallas, the success we're seeing comes directly from the relationships that we build and that we nurture. Promoting expansion and development is a positive way for us to continue to attract and retain business partners, adding new jobs, capital investment, growth, and success. So we are very appreciative of Aurora's decision to invest in our community, and we're very much looking forward to our strong relationship with them continue.
The relationship between a healthy workforce and a successful community is well established. Aurora's presence in West Dallas, and in particular this project here in 6 Points, enhances the relationship by providing top quality healthcare to the citizens of West Dallas. Aurora's presence not only provides the critical healthcare necessary to see our residents thrive, but serves as yet another example of the ongoing economic revitalization of the West Dallas community, and in particular here at 6 Points. The economic development of West Dallas and West Milwaukee is absolutely vital to seeing our community thrive and ensuring our businesses have a healthy, productive employee workforce is an essential component of that. Aurora's commitment to this area will position them to meet the ongoing healthcare needs of our community now, tomorrow, and in the years to come. And on behalf of the West Dallas West Milwaukee Chamber of Commerce, I want to sincerely thank you all for your commitment to our community and welcome you to the 6 Points area.
Along with the expansion of space and the increased access to care, the Aurora Health Center at 6 Points will incorporate some new models of care to enhance our patients' experience. One of these models is the collaborative care model. Collaborative care allows for multiple caregivers to provide services to patients within one exam room in an extended appointment time. Imagine being able to schedule an appointment with your primary care provider, and at that same visit being able to see a diabetes management specialist and even a foot doctor. All caregivers center around the patient, offering the convenience of reduced wait times and increasing communication between the patient and members of the care team. This is truly an example of patient-centered care, and we will be leading the way in the region by being one of the first clinics to offer this style of care. The other model that we are excited about really highlights the concept that our health and wellness involves caring not only for the body, but also for the mind. We will be very fortunate to offer patients the convenience of seeing a provider who is not only trained in primary care, but also has had special training and certification in behavioral health. Patients will reap the benefit of being able to get the care they need when they need it. We anticipate that the addition of this provider will greatly reduce wait times for our patients seeking mental health services.
I would like to invite the community representatives, construction partners, and Aurora representatives to grab a shovel and join me as we break ground, representing not only what we have already completed, but also the success that is to come in the future.